Alright, welcome back to the vlog. This is the mod that I did today, right here. That's the Weathertech vent visors for the 2016, I believe 2011 to 2016 or 2017 535i. Um, I got this online. I will try to find the link. I actually didn't get this from eBay. I went through this website and ordered them. Because I was gonna get one for eBay. They're like the normal ones. They go here all the way to the back, but they were coming from Russia and they were having issues every time that they tried to ship it. They were getting missed and they were getting lost. So I got tired of waiting. So I got my money back, and I got this from a website that I will try to find the link. If I found the link, I put it below in the description. I don't remember if I erased it, but I will look for the link. These are the WeatherTech, and they specifically made for the 535i, and they really simple install, really easy. They actually go inside the trim of the window. They don't go glue on the outside. So all you have to do with these ones is you put this part first, the front, and just make sure that it's on top of this rubber here. You cannot be inside, so if you see right there, it's like on top of the rubber. So you gotta put that corner in, and then when you put that corner in, then you go through the back and you kind of like bend it and make us go in here, and then just leave like a little space on the top. Leave like a good space, maybe like an inch space, and then you start like going through here, start sticking it inside. That didn't sound right, but anyway, start putting it inside from here all the way to the back, and then you lift it up, and then after that you kind of like push it outwards towards you a little bit, just to make sure it's stick to the side of the window trim, and then you lift your window up slowly until you get it too close. Then once you get it too close, just leave it like that, I believe for like 12 hours, some certain amount of hours, so the visor gets set in it. I like it. It's different. I never put a visor like that that actually go inside the window trim. I know I have seen them before, and I was always wondering how they got them there, because I always see the ones that you glue from the outside. But now that I got this one, it's really easy. And this one has like a 3M tape. You just peel off, and then you stick one side, and then you stick the other side, and then just lift it up and make it go in there. But it's like super easy and stuff. It took me probably not even 10 minutes, and I got them done. And I like it because you definitely ain't getting no water inside if you put your windows down a little bit. Cause I had a problem with the other ones that you used to glue. Sometimes the glue doesn't stick right, and you get like a little, you know what I mean, like a little piece where the glue don't stick right, and the water starts dripping from there. But this one seems pretty nice. I haven't tried it yet. I just put them on. Now, to be honest, I kinda would have rather have the look that go all the way to over here. I think it would make the car look better. But I like these ones. I don't got no problem with them. I think they're gonna work fine, and I think they look good still. So I'm gonna keep this one on. I'm not planning on changing them. But if you're looking for vent visors, the WeatherTech, they actually come with a sticker here that say like WeatherTech and stuff. But I took that out and used some glue gun and took the glue off of it. Cause I didn't want to give no promotion to the WeatherTech, but that's the mod for today. I did both sides. I mean, they dark, but they not like black. So you kind of see a little bit through them, but they just look too dark now because I have the window up and the windows are tint. Plus I have this on the front, so it don't let the light go in. But yeah, that was the mod for today. If you got any questions, just leave it in the comment section, and I try to answer. That's a piece of hair. Man, it's looking good. This car is looking good. I'm thinking I'm pretty much done with the outside. I think I already got it the way I wanted to look on the outside. So I think if I go for, well, I still wanna powder coat these wheels on gloss black. I will try to see if I can get the jet black same color and powder coat these wheels. And then I wanna put like a lower springs on it, but I'm still thinking about it. Cause this won't have the electronic suspension. I really don't feel like messing with it. But oh, I still gotta put like a darker tint on the headlights. Cause I mean I like that tint, but it's just not black enough for me. So I'll probably put like a darker tint there. But I think I'm pretty much done with the outside. Next month probably be like on the engine. But I'm not trying to rush that. So let's see how it goes. But anyway, just to keep you guys updated, I think it turned out pretty nice. I don't know. You guys tell me and let me know in the comment section, but I think the car turned out pretty nice. All I probably need to do is put wheels on it. I wanted to put 20s, but like I said, I'm not in a rush for that either. So I probably just go and powder coat this one because I just got plastic dip. So I probably powder coat them in like gloss black and maybe put like a lower spring. I don't want to go with coilover because I don't want to change the suspension. And I don't know if I want to go with adjustable springs because they expensive, man. They almost like buying coilovers. So that's like, I don't know. I think that's too much money. I don't want it real low. So I might go with the lower springs, or I might just leave it like that until I put 20s on and then see how much space I have left. But if you got any questions, just leave it on the comment section. I think it turned out pretty good. I think it's looking pretty good. So yeah, that's it for today. Till the next one, man. You already know, be safe. And please hit the like button. I cannot stop saying that. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you like the journey. Cause we still gonna work on it. So yeah, that's it for today. Till the next one, man. Be safe, you know.